Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to use Wave's receipt scanning feature. For on-the-go users, the mobile receipt scanner is a game changer and I'm going to show you how to access it. Step 1, download the Wave Receipt app. Go to the App Store or Play Store and install the Wave Receipt app. Log in using your Wave account credentials. Step 2, open the app and tap the camera icon. Once in the app, tap the camera icon at the bottom to activate the scanner. Step 3, take a clear photo of the receipt. Hold your phone steady and take a clear, well-lit photo. Ensure all information is visible, the merchant's name, date, and total amount. Step 4, review automatically extracted data. The app will attempt to scan the receipts and extract key details using the OCR. Review the data and confirm its accuracy. You can also edit the vendor's name, amount, or date if needed. Step 5, save and sync. Tap save or approve. The receipt will automatically upload and synchronize with your main Wave account under the receipt section. Quick tip, receipts taken through the app can later be linked to transactions or categorized just like manually uploaded receipts. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.